Hi, 7th graders. We've been looking at area in the last few lessons. So today we're looking at composite area problems. So what this is going to be is basically we need to find the area of part of a shape. So we have a circle, but part of it is not shaded. So we're just looking to find the area of the shaded region. So this is a circle, so we'd use pi times the radius squared. So the diameter of the outer circle is 6. So from here to here is 6. The inner circle is 4 from here to here. So area of the outer minus the area of the inner equals the area of the shaded part, okay? So if we take pi times 3, because that's the radius of the outer circle, squared, minus pi times 2 squared, half of the radius of the inner circle, we simplify that to pi times 9, pi times 4, we get 28.26 minus 12.56 equals 15.7 units squared. So the area of that shaded region is 15.7 units squared. Okay, now we're going to go to the whiteboard, look at some various shapes to find their areas. Okay, so first we have a rectangle with a semicircle. Okay, so this whole area on that side is the whole height is 7.5 meters. So basically what we're going to do is find out what this rectangle, we're going to find the area of the rectangle and add it to the area of the semicircle. And that'll equal the area of our shape. Okay, so we have here 7.5. To find this side, we need to take 7.5. Let me try that again. 7.5 minus 4, because 4 is this. No, sorry, not 4. I'm going to write it like it is in the book. 7.5 minus the radius. So the diameter of the semicircle is 4. The radius is half of that. So 7.5 minus 2 is 5.5. Okay, so here we have 5.5 for this part. So we're going to take 5.5 times 4 plus, so to find the semicircle, we take half of the area. So half pi times 2 squared. Okay. So to do that, 5.5 times 4, I'm going to pull out my handy calculator here. 5.5 times 4 is 22, plus 2 squared is 4. 4 times pi is 12.56. Half of that is 6.28. We add those together, we get 28.28 meters squared for our area. Okay, so we have a label and it's always squared when you're working with area. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, so here, move over a little more. We have, so in the book this is, I didn't catch that. Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm talking to. So the outer rectangle, the bigger one, is a grassy area, and this little rectangle is a paved area. So we're going to take 3 times 2 minus 0.5 times 1 to get our area. Okay, so 3 times 2, 6. 0.5 times 1 is 0.5. So our answer is 5.5 or 5.5, written like that, units squared. Okay. Last one. So here we have a triangle. So we'll take the area of the triangle plus the area of the semicircle equals our area. So triangle is half base times height. Semicircle again is half pi radius squared. So our base here, our triangle, is going to be half 14 times 8 plus our radius, or half pi times our radius, which is going to be 4, because that's half the diameter, squared. So let's do the triangle first. 14 times 8 is 112, times half is 56, plus 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times pi is 50.27, and divided by 2 or times half is going to be 25.3. Excuse me, 0.13. So if we add those together, we end up with, well, the book rounded it to 25.12, but it's fine. 81.13 centimeters squared. Okay. So that's it for our lesson. That's going to be what your assignment looks like. I will either give you measurements or I will give you a picture of a shape that involves either subtraction of an area or addition of two areas, and you'll be finding that area. Please let me know if there's any questions. Your assignment is to complete the Edmodo questions for lesson 20. If there's no questions, just do your best on the assignment and have a wonderful day.